Hi guys, I just wanted to show you if my daycare is nice or not. So this is the playground for them. It's really cute, to be honest. And this is the kitchen. And also this is, if a team is good, they get 1 point. If the other team is better, and the purple team did something bad, they lose a point. I guess you guys understand. Now on to the play place. Now, like, this isn't just playing, like, it's learning too, like identifying what type of plants this is, like, and painting, and how, like, numbers. I don't know if there's an ABC thing, but let me check. There isn't, but I can put this one. Okay, this is better. And identify what is night, like these planets, The team who gets a lot of them correct will get like a point, and at the end of the week, the team with most points will get just some hamburgers, I guess, because the place is really strict. Like, if they win, they get hamburgers and cereal. But not if always when they win, because too much is unhealthy. Yeah. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Really nice. Some bandages, some of these doo-doos, I don't know what they're called. Okay, and I'm not done with the bedroom, but I'll show you guys later if I can. Bye-bye. And I just got this pack yesterday. Yay! Okay, goodbye.